Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss the numerical part. Okay, so in that we will firstly discuss the numericals which are based on your second unit. Okay, so we will solve these particular numericals. So our very first numerical is calculate the heat transfer rate heat transfer rate per unit area per unit area through a copper plate okay uh, copper plate of 0.050 meter thick, okay, whose one face is maintained at 350 degrees Celsius and the other face is at 50 degrees Celsius. Okay, then thermal conductivity of copper is 370 degree 370 watt meter degree Celsius. Okay, so this is what is the numerical is. I will read it the numerical again. Okay, calculate the heat transfer rate per unit area. So this is important. Per unit area means what? So they have asked the per unit heat transfer rate means what? They have asked the heat flux, isn't it? So per unit area through a copper plate, okay, and the thickness of the copper plate is nothing but the 0.05 meter, okay, whose one face is maintained at 350 degrees Celsius and other face is at 50 degrees Celsius. The thermal conductivity of the copper is 370 watt per meter per degree Celsius. So what will be the heat transfer rate per unit area? That is what is the question is. Okay? So let us write down the given data. Okay, so very first is given as T1 temperature. Okay, T1 temperature is nothing but the 350 degrees Celsius. Then T2 temperature is given as 50 degrees Celsius. Then K, which is nothing but the thermal conductivity of the copper, is given as 370 watt per meter degree Celsius. Okay, and X, which is nothing but the thickness of the plate, which is equals to 0.05 meter. ठीक है, and what they have asked us, that is nothing but the heat transfer rate. Heat transfer rate per unit area, which is Q is equals to Q by A, and which will be equals to, ठीक है, that we will see. As we are aware that Q is equals to Q into A into T1 minus T2 and then X divided by X. Okay, now they want it for per unit area. ठीक है, so if we are calculating Q by A, then it is called as an heat flux. Okay, and which will be equals to K. A is over here, so T1 minus T2 divided by X. If we put the values, whatever given values are there, if we put it over there, then 370 into T1 is nothing but the 350 minus T2 is nothing but the 50 degrees Celsius divided by 0.05 meter. Okay, now if we calculate this in the calculator, so the answer will be equals to, that we will see, 350 minus 50 multiplied by 370 divided by 0.05. So answer is nothing but the 2220 answer is 2220 into 10 raised to 3, isn't it? That is nothing but the watt per meter square. So if this is what is the Q, if we want this particular heat transfer rate in kilowatt, then it will be equals to 2220 kilowatt per meter square, and that is what is the answer. Okay, I hope you might have understood this particular question. So that's it for this particular video. We will see the next problem in the next video. Thank you so much.